What if you could generate a completely free, high-quality voiceover for your videos without paying for any subscription, without hiring anyone, and without recording your own voice at all? Because most people don't know this tool exists. They're out here paying monthly fees for voiceover software when Google literally gives you this for free inside Google AI Studio. And the interface just got a major upgrade. There are new settings and controls that give you way more power over how your voiceover sounds. We're talking style, pace, accent, and the one that blew my mind, emotions. You can make your AI voice sound serious, empathetic, or even make it laugh. Yes, actually laugh. Like it genuinely sounds human. That level of control is something most paid tools charge you good money for. If you have been a follower of this channel, you will know that the voice you're hearing now is not my original voice. I generated this voice for free using Google AI Studio. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the new interface step by step, exactly how to set it up, what each setting does, and how to get the best quality output. By the end of this, you'll be generating professional-sounding voiceovers completely for free. Let's get into it.
Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your browser and search for Google AI Studio, and you're going to see this particular one. Click on it. Then once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface, the playground. Now here is where you select what you want to do with Google AI Studio. You're going to see this particular option, speech and music. Yes, you can now generate music using Google AI Studio, but that is not what we are here for. We are here to generate a free, high-quality voiceover using Google AI Studio for free. So click on Speech and Music. Then once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular interface. Then here is where you're going to see Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview, and you're going to see Lyria 3 Pro and Lyria 3 Clip. So these ones are for music generation, and that is not what we are here for. So just click on Gemini 3.1 Flash. Then once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular interface. Now, if you've been using Google AI Studio before, you know that this is not how the interface used to be. Now, this is not to confuse you. These are just simple templates, simple presets that Google provided to help you make the right choices and get the best quality from your AI-generated voices. These are just templates that is going to help you pick the right voice, the right settings, and every single thing that you need to know. And don't worry, I'll also show you how to be in charge. That is, if you don't like the presets that Google gave you, you can also customize it to your own preference. That is how you want it. So pay close attention.
Now you're going to see the first one, the Everyday Assistant, a helpful and professional personal assistant. Next, you're going to see the Guarded NPC. Create multiple characters dialogue in a fantasy setting. So if you want to create multiple character voiceovers with dialogue, use this particular option. And then you're going to see the Energetic Co-host, a podcast-style conversation. If you want a voice that has energy, that is the podcast style of voiceover, use this particular option. And then you're going to see the next one, the Master Storyteller. If you're creating your voiceover for stories, then use this particular template. You can also as well adjust it to your own preference. And then you're going to see the next option, the Ad Voiceover. That is if you're creating a voiceover for commercial. If you want to create a commercial ad, then go for this option. Then next, you're going to see the training guide, the game show host, the patient teacher. So just come here and select a particular template that you want to use. Remember, I'm also going to show you how you're going to be in control. That is how you're going to be in charge. And then you can as well customize to your own preference. So let's say I'm creating a voiceover for an advertisement. So I'm just going to click on the Add Voiceover. Now, once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular interface. If you look here, you're going to see 3 boxes. Box 1, the scene. Box 2, the sample context. Box 3, the script box. Now, these 2 are optional, but can use it if you want more voice control. If you want more customization, use these 2. Now here is the main thing, the boss, the script box. Now the first box, the scene box, this is where you describe the scene. That is the setting that you're recording the voiceover for. Then the second box is the sample context. This is where you describe the voice, the type of voice that you want to generate, how you want the voice to sound, that is the style. And here is where you paste your script. So now I'm also going to explain more about other settings. But first of all, I'm going to run this thing. I'm going to click on Run. If I click on Run, now remember we chose the advert voice. You can see the speaker here, Speaker 1, Oris, the advert voice. That is the voice you use to create commercials. So I'm just going to hit on Run. And after a few seconds, our voiceover is ready. I'm just using this voiceover to show you what the preset, the template that Google gave us, is going to do for you. Remember, this is an advert voice. So I'm just going to play this voiceover now so you can listen to it. So listen.
You don't just want a car. You want a sanctuary. Introducing the all-new Aetherus sedan with whisper quiet cabin technology and an interior designed around you. It's not just about getting to your destination. It's about arriving inspired. Aetherus. Move beautifully.
So now you have listened to the voice. So if you're creating a commercial voice, then you go for the template of Ads Commercial. So now if you click at the top here, this is the settings. Let me click on it. If you click here, this is where you are in charge. This puts you in control. So the first thing you're going to see here is the model that we're using. You can see that we're using the Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS preview. This is the latest model on Google AI Studio for voiceover generation. Now, if you click here that says Oris, this is where you customize the voice, the settings. This is where you put yourself in charge if you don't like the preset that Google AI Studio gave you. So click on this Oris now, and it's going to bring you to this interface. You're going to see the first option here, Audio Profile, a smooth, premium commercial voice. Remember, this Oris, you can also use it for different purposes. This is where you are going to make it work for you. These settings here is where you're going to make the voice work for the particular purpose that you want to use it for. So here you can edit the audio profile. And then the next thing you're going to see here is the style. If you click on the style, you're going to see the vocal smile, the newscaster, the whisper, the emphatic, the promo/hype, the deadpan. Vocal smile is a soft palette that is raised to keep the tone bright, sunny, and explicitly inviting. Then the second one is the newscaster, a professional, authoritative, clear articulated with standard broadcast cadence. The whisper, the intimate, breathy, close to mic proximity effect. That is all these whisper voices that you hear in stories. You can use this particular settings. The emphatic, a warm, understanding, soft tone and gentle inflection. I normally use this one if I'm creating tutorials. Then promo hype. If you're creating commercial ads, use this. Then the deadpan, a flat effect, minimal pitch variation, dry delivery. So all these things now depends on the particular voiceover you're creating, what you're creating the voiceover for. So I'm just going to select emphatic now. Now the next thing that you're going to see now is pace. If you click on pace, like I told you guys, this new Google AI Studio voiceover generation new interface puts you in control, like it puts you in charge. What this simply means is that up to 5 or 6 persons can actually use the same voice on Google AI Studio, and they are all going to sound different, because it now gives you more customization, more settings, so you can always make yourself stand out without sounding the same. Everybody is sounding the same voice, so pay close attention to these settings.
So now, if you click on pace, you're going to see natural. Let me show you guys. You're going to see natural, you're going to see rapid fire, you're going to see the drift, you're going to see the staccato. The natural, if you're going to use the natural pace, you don't want any customization, just use the natural. The rapid fire, fast, energetic, no dead air, sentence overlaps slightly. The drift, slow, liquid, zero urgency, long pauses for breath. Then the staccato, short, clipped sentences with distinct pause between words. So here, you're going to choose the particular preference that you want, depending on the type of voiceover that you want to generate. So I'm just going to leave it at natural. So I'll select natural. And then here, you're going to see accent. Oh my God, I love the new features that Google AI Studio is giving us for free. What do you think about these settings? Do you find it confusing or do you find it interesting? So if you click on accent, this is where you select the accent that you want your voiceover to have. You're going to see the American Gen, the American Valley, the American South, the British RP, the British Brixton, the Transatlantic, the Australian. So if you want your voiceover to sound natural, you don't want it to have a particular accent, just select neutral. And then here is where you select your voices. Yes. So like I told you guys, you are in control. If you don't want to use the templates that Google gave you, the presets that they gave you, just come here and customize it. You can see different voices, and all these are all premium voices. Let me just play one of the voices.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
So yeah, you can see the voices, you can see them all. So I'm just going to leave it at that particular one that I chose. I really want to prove something to you. If you listen to the first one we generated, it's a commercial script, it's a commercial voiceover. Now I'm going to use that same voiceover to generate an emotional, motivating voiceover using the customization I'm doing here.
So this audio profile, I'm just going to change this. I'll remove this and I'm going to say a motivational speaker. Let me leave it at a motivational speaker. Once I've adjusted these settings, I'll go back. And did I mention to you guys that you can also select the particular model that you want to use? Wow. Just go to the comment section and type Google AI Studio is wonderful. Go to the comment section and do that, because I find these settings really interesting. So if you click on this, you can select different models that you want to use. You can see the Gemini 3.1 Flash, and you scroll, you're going to see the Gemini 2.5 Pro preview, and you can also see the Gemini 2.5 Flash preview. So just come here and select the particular one that you want to use. For this, I'm going to be using the latest one, the latest model, the Gemini 3.1 Flash. So I'll just leave it like that. And then I'm going to make some adjustment here as well. I'm going to delete this scene. Like I told you, I want to prove something to you guys now. You can actually use the same voice and generate a lot of things. All you just have to do is to customize it. So now, I'm also going to delete this one as well. Select all, then I'm going to cut out. Now, let me go and copy the script that I prepared for this particular tutorial. And did I also mention to you guys that you can use Google AI Studio to generate voiceovers in different languages? My God, I will also show you how to do that, because you can actually generate voiceover in different languages. So let's go, guys. So this is my notebook, and this is where I pasted the whole thing. You can see the same prompt, the sample, and the main script itself. So I'm just going to copy this, copy, also copy this, copy, and then I'm going to copy the main script itself. I'm going to copy this, and then copy. Let's go back.
Here I'm going to paste the scene, the sample context, and the main script itself. And remember, like I told you guys, these two are optional. You can leave it blank, but if you want more customization, use them. So let me paste in every single thing. So now I've pasted every single thing. Just click here to run it, and our voiceover is being generated. Pay close attention. I want to show you something real quick, that you can actually use a particular voice for different purposes. The template that you saw at the beginning is just a preset. This is Google guiding you to select the right settings and the right voice to use for a particular project. But I, Jane Francis, is telling you that you can customize a voice to your own preference. Now our voiceover is ready. Let me play it.
Look, I know content creation gets tough sometimes. The views aren't coming, the algorithm feels like it's working against you, and you're sitting there wondering if any of this is even worth it. Don't quit. Because here's the truth. Every big creator you admire right now was once exactly where you are, posting into silence, doubting themselves. But they kept going, and so will you. You already have what it takes. The ideas, the drive, the creativity. Now you're even learning how to use AI tools to work smarter. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Seriously, though, your breakthrough is closer than you think. Keep creating. Keep showing up. The right people will find you.
Did you see how I just used a voice that is meant for commercial ads to create a motivation voiceover? Yes, but I'll also advise you to use the right voice, though you can as well customize it, but always use the right voice. To use the right voice, I've shown you the settings. Go there and select a voice that works best for your particular project. Yes. And like I told you guys, this AI can also generate voiceover in different languages. Now to download your voiceover, just click here on this download button, and this voiceover is going to be downloaded straight to your phone. Now, let me paste in this script for the French voiceover because I prepared a script for a French voiceover. I don't understand French, but I know some of my viewers do. Pay close attention. So I'm just going to select all and cut. Now let me copy this script. So this is the script for the French voiceover. I'll copy this, copy, and then we go back and I'm going to paste this thing here. I'll leave all other settings the way it is and then we hit on run. Let's wait. And under a few seconds, our French voiceover is ready. So like I said, I don't understand French. I'm going to leave it for those that can understand French. If you can understand French, I want you to go to the comment section and interpret this thing for us. So listen to the French voiceover and be the judge in the comment section.
Chaque jour est une nouvelle chance. Parfois, le chemin semble difficile et les obstacles paraissent grands. Mais n'oublie jamais une chose. Tu es plus fort que tes doutes. Avance, même avec de petits pas. Chaque effort compte, chaque erreur t'apprend quelque chose et chaque moment
So this brings us to the end of this video. If you want to create dialogue videos, please go to the template section. You're going to see the one that says dialogue. Select that one. Or you can as well click here to add speech block. So if you click on that, it's going to automatically add another speaker. You can see it, speaker 2. Puck. So make use of this, or you can use the template. There is a particular template that has dialogue if you're generating your voiceover for dialogues. Now click here to download, and this brings us to the end of this video. If you got value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, feel free to go to the comment section and ask, and I will be there to reply you. Peace out.